in the trike. I gotta take that door off. It's just one nut and the door comes right off. Got some good food over here. All right. Folks, there's a little breakfast spot right here we like to go to. Find folks right there cook breakfast every morning. Rolling out in the tricycle, my friends. Gotta handle a little business. Got a friend of mine, his wife's cousin, in town for a few days. Shout out to you, girl. She's helping me out for just a few days with the children. Thank you very much for doing so. You've been so wonderful. That way I can run out for a few minutes and handle a little bit of business. Got a little tune out of that trombone right there. Man, it's a beautiful day here in Concolese City. Gonna be another hot one, my friends. The weather is definitely warm over here now. When it rains, it's nice, you know, cools things off. But for the most part, it's hot and more hot midday. But beautiful weather. How can you ask for anything better than this? All right, Hilltop Hotel hiring a chambermaid. Anybody knows anybody looking for a job? All right, the Hangout Plus. No players out there, but it's a little early in the day. I got to go down and mail a few things over at LBC. And if you listen to how the locals pronounce LBC, because it kind of confused me first time I had ever done business at LBC. They pronounce it like LBC. So I thought it was like LTAC BUSY, LBusy. But it's LBC. But you know, like if you ask about your mind, hey, where can I go mail this? LBC. So that's where I'm headed. There's one down, if you go down to the end of Walking Street and take a left, there's an LBC office right there. There's some bars for sale up in here next to Night Moves if anybody wants to roll the dice, gamble, try your hand at making $1 on a bar in the Philippines. Because it ain't easy. And my hat's off to those who are making $1 running a bar anywhere in Southeast Asia. You're accomplishing something that's next to impossible. My hat's off to you. See what's shaking up here, if there's any activity at the Lewis Grand Hotel. Nope. Still a ghost town. Be nice if they'd open that property back up. But the word on the street is that the Chinese bought it. Don't hold me to it. I'm not up on all the gossip. That's just what somebody said. I don't know. CPI call shop. There's a new bar right there called Cheers, right next to my fish place. Saw a couple of lovely ladies in there when I went by the other day. But I'm still on the wagon, folks. Sober as a judge. I don't even remember when I stopped drinking. It's been about a month, I guess. I don't know. I ain't got time to drink. Too busy taking care of my children, having a great time with them. I was having such a great time, I decided to extend wife number 2's vacation. Her tropical vacation in the village is extended another week. 51.90, almost 52 pesos to the dollar. So the dollar is doing good now against the peso. Come on over here to Ville, almost 50 pesos to the dollar. All right, got a few players staring out through the chicken wire. Probably about half a dozen players looking out through that chicken wire, reflecting on the mysteries of life. Oh, a couple of lovely ladies. Walking across the street here. I was gonna take y'all down Walker Street, but where I'm going, he's actually going right. You go to the end, take a right, and the LBC is on the right. But when you come back, maybe I'll get some footage of the world famous Walker Street. Okay, so if you come to the end of this little road, I call it the back alley from Walker Street. The road's got a name. There's this Lot 51 mobile park. Wednesday to Sunday. Yeah, right here, LBC. Where the beautiful lady just rolled in there. My goodness. Alright, folks. Got my business handle. Beautiful ladies up in there. But again, it's a LBC. Right next to this Lot 15. Right down here at the end of the world famous Walking Street. Maybe we'll ride down Walking Street, give you a peek. If you ship something down to Manila, it's like the next day. I had to mail some stuff to the US. They said, what they say, 3 to 5 days? Almost like same speed as FedEx. I'll talk about the price in a minute. I think I might have paid too much, but it was one stop and I got my business done, so I didn't question it. It's about 50 bucks. That's a little bit steep compared to FedEx, but I don't know. I know all the Thailand prices in my head, but I don't know FedEx prices from the Philippines back to the States. Not much happening on Walker Street. Not sure exactly what time it is, but it's before noon. Gentleman right here got some shrimp or prawns. Yeah, prawns and something. Walking around selling them things. Good luck to that gentleman on his sales today. Got a few beautiful ladies right there at the biking. Some beautiful ladies right here. My goodness. 2-3 players out on the perch over at Kokomo. Good to see that real estate being used early on in the day. Caught up in a little lap traffic here. Alright folks, there's your tour of the world famous Walking Street. Got a bunch of children hanging out over here. See all these kids. Breaks your heart, but alright, got the tourist police out over here. A bunch of people in Phillies. Must be some type of sporting event going on. Or else that's just how crowded it is these days. I don't know. Again, folks, I'm not the expert on Walking Street, the bars, what's going on. That's not me. Plenty of channels that can give you all the latest and the greatest. I just take you along for a ride on my life, living on the old Overstate Road, wherever the wind blows me. These days, it ain't blowing me down to Walker Street. Another little traffic jam. Not too many beautiful ladies out this morning. I guess it might be too early for them.
Stop by my little sorry store. They got produce out here. So I'm picking up just enough stuff that I can make good chicken soup. And they got some fish over here. Tilapia fresh, it's still swimming. But I'm not in the market for fish. I'm making chicken. You know what? I'll get a couple of these. No, the baby said they were spicy last time. Stick with what I got. Gentleman here adding me up. Bringing me up. Folks, I gotta get a little bit of this calabasa too. Just get half of it. Of course, yeah, that's good right there, my friend. Of course, she loves that calabasa, so I'll throw some in the chicken soup / stew. See how it comes out. Usually I don't put calabasa in the chicken soup, but you never know till you try. All right, so we got some happy campers now. Got the ice cream. And of course, she likes the ube flavor. So there you go. I got some happy babies, and this one's been in the makeup all morning, huh? Got makeup on? Well, yeah, this is from Mama Tima, but Mama Tima's not here, sweetie, so we're gonna eat it. Big shout out to Fatima, baby. I thought about you, but I don't think they're gonna be here by the time you get back, honey. Too bad. We miss you. Enjoy your vacation. All right, folks, so let me show you this. I bought this up there, so what do I got? 1, 2, 3. Got like four potatoes, 5 onions, a little bit of calabasa, 2 carrots, thing of okra, 1 pepper. Anyhow, that's about a $4 bag of vegetables. Now, I was riding the trike, but it's, you know, that's walking distance to my place. So I could have walked up there, got a $4 bag of vegetables. You know, that's the hard cost because there's no transportation costs other than the wear and tear on my blue suede shoes. If you want to get technical, okay, shave off a quarter of a peso for wear and tear on the shoes, on the equipment. $4 for that. This is roughly, I don't know, let's say $4, just say 5. So 5 and 4, that's about $9 plus $1 on electricity, maybe more. I don't know. I'm calling this a $10 meal. This big old thing of chicken soup, which is going to go into the slow cooker, it's about a $10 meal. And, you know, if we eat that over rice, it's going to serve up a family of 4, 2 meals for $10. So we're looking at $5 a meal. You know, folks, it's hard to be exact about things, right? The rice is like 50 cents a pound, you know, $1 a kilo. So it just depends how much everybody eats and how far you stretch it, right? But there you go, okay? That's a great meal. And usually you can walk up and pick up these ingredients so you don't have any transportation costs. When you read the title of this video, did you really think I was gonna go party down on Walking Street when the old lady's out of town? Leave my kids here. Hey, I went to Walking Street. Didn't lie. It's not clickbait. But I was just passing through. Just passing through. But let no man say old single dad didn't go to Walking Street. But it was just because the LBC office was at the end of Walking Street. There you go. Folks, we're all in different places in our lives. Different ages, different places, different mindset, different times. 6 years ago, I was tearing it up on Walking Street when I was here. Now, the wind just don't blow me to Walking Street. It don't blow me towards Walking Street. It just blows me through there when I gotta go handle legitimate business. So, I know a lot of you, you know, when you think of Angeles City, you have this one perception about, well, just one perception. We'll just leave it at that, right? But, you know, living in Angeles City or living in Pattaya, it's no different than living in, say, New Orleans
When you say New Orleans, what do you think of? Think of Bourbon Street. But does that mean that everybody who lives in New Orleans goes to Bourbon Street every night? Or even goes to Bourbon Street at all? So anyhow, it's just funny when you talk to a lot of people, you say the word Pattaya, you say Angeles City, oh, they have this perception in their mind. And in reality, it's like the partying and the bars, it's like less than 1%. And it's whether or not you choose to go over there and hang out, and if that's your lifestyle, or what you're into. But, you know, I lived in South Florida, and I wasn't partying in the bars on South Beach every night. You know, I was on my old boat on my off days. That was what I was into. Is the nightlife there? Oh yeah, it's there. Nightlife is present in any place you go to in the world, pretty much. Well, something like fucking Kuwait and Saudi Arabia. But anyhow, so if you came to this video to see me partying on Walker Street and you're disappointed, hey, you know, that's what I have to offer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. Old single dad took a stroll through Walker Street. Hey, you know, the only thing I'm really thinking about when I go down to Walker Street is I'm just thinking of Mexican food over at Tequila Reef. I really am. I mean, I'm just thinking about, damn, I could get over there to get jalapenos, real sour cream. I mean, my mouth is watering right now. I'm just thinking about what would I order if I could just run by Tequila Reef and pick up some Mexican food. Yeah, I love the margaritas, but I'm not craving the margaritas. I'm just craving the food. So the only thing that I would think about, and I do think about when I go down to that area, is, man, I could swing by Tequila Reef, pick up some jalapeno poppers, or nice chimichanga, extra jalapenos, extra sour cream. Oh my goodness, my mouth's watering worse than Pavlov's dogs. Classical conditioning. If you don't know what I'm talking about, look it up. Okay, folks, I'm out of here. Thanks for joining me on this video. If you're not a subscriber, the bottom right-hand corner of your screen, I want you to hit that Overstay Road sign or ring that bell like Rocky. When you see that bell, you ring it. Yo, Adrian, it's me, Rocky. Who's that ringing that bell? 40,000 subscribers. I just want to say thanks to each and every one of you who took the time to subscribe. Everybody who watches our videos, listens to my voice, thank you very much. I certainly appreciate it. If you're new to the channel, just ring the bell like Rocky. Peace out, my friends. I'll see y'all tomorrow.